Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily get heart symbols in the status bar on your iPhone. But before you start watching this video, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and also please write your comments. So, friends, let's get started. Please open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to and select the focus section. And here, friends, you will be able to connect the heart symbol to any of your tricks. But I must warn you that if this symbol is already used or you can only use it once, that is, if you assign the heart symbol to any of your tricks, you can't apply it to any other trick. So how can you do that? Two methods. Either you can create a new focus. You can do that by clicking plus, then create, and then just scroll down. Find the heart sign, please. And you can also change the background color on which that sign will stand out. Or friends, if you already have a status bar ready and you would like to just change maybe some of the focuses, then please open it up. Click Edit. Exactly, also find the heart symbol. And now, friends, you will need to choose exactly the same color that will be on your symbol. And then click Ready, Pause. And as you can see, now the heart has been applied. To switch to this kind of focus where you have a heart symbol, please swipe on the right side, top to bottom. Click on the focus section and select the one that you customized. There you go. Very quickly and easily, dear friends, you will be able to get the heart symbol in the status bar on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you, friends.